Dear students, good morning to all of you. Hope that you are okay and you enjoyed the Christmas holidays. Dear students, now you are going to start again your new chapters for the third term examination. So, uh, just I request you that you study well. You don't waste your time because your final examination will be held. uh, that you are getting the lessons, you have to must complete it properly, you have to learn it properly, you have to understand it properly. So dear students, the new chapter is chapter number 7. Sorry, this is lesson number 7. The name of this chapter is app development. Okay, app development. Here app, all of you know. Do you know about app? You are very smart about app, I know. Okay, this app, that app, there are different types of the apps you are loading from the Play Store in your mobile. For example, you have installed Campus Care for study purpose, and you are accessing it nowadays and availing the facility provided by the school. So dear students, like this Campus Care, there are different types of the apps available for different purpose. Okay, so first of all you have to keep in the mind that app, this app is actually short form. This is short form. Okay, short form of what? Short form of application. You are coming to the topic introduction to apps. You know introduction? Introduction means to tell something about anything. Okay, for example, if I tell you that just to introduce yourself, so you will tell, sir, this is my name, this is my father's name, my mother's name, this is my school name, this is my mohalla name, like that you are telling about you. So you are giving some information about you is known as the introduction. So here I am going to give you some information about the apps. That's why it is introduction to apps. Okay, app is short form of application. So this is the first point of the introduction of this chapter, of this topic, app. App is the short form of application. Short form is also known as the abbreviation. Already you know, you have studied in GK the different types of the full forms and the short forms. So this is the abbreviation of the application. An app is developed by the programmer. Programmer, you know, the person who is designing any software, who is writing or who is coding the softwares is known as the programmer. For example, if I develop any software, so I will be a programmer. If you develop any software, so you will be a programmer. So the person who writes the program is known as the programmer. And the programs are done to accomplish the specific task. Specific task means the special type of the work. For example, your Campus Care is developed for the education purpose, by the help of which you can see different types of the PDFs, and you can watch the different of the videos. You can see the fees information, you can see about you, your birthday, and there are many more things available in the Campus Care software. So that software is also an app. Okay, so here you will see if you are running the same software on your mobile, so that is another one. And if you are running the same software on the PC, means web browser, so that is another one. Okay, so the mobiles are having the less facilities because of the less memory, and the PC softwares are having more facilities because of the a good or handsome memory are having inside of the PCs. So you can paint. The app is there. So with the help of the app, you can paint, you can draw, you can read maps and barcodes. Barcodes are the codes having the difference of the lines, the thin line, the thick lines, are the different types of the lines are available in the barcodes, and the bar reader is a software which can read the codes, uh, and it can display in our language, in our English language, which we can understand properly, because bar cannot understand everyone. Take photograph. You are taking photographs in the mobile, that is also having one app inside of the mobile. Watch video. If you are watching the video using your mobile or smartphone or laptop, so that is having one type of the special software to watch the video. Okay, for example, media players and many more are there. And do almost anything that a programmer have created the app, for which thing the programmer has created the app, you can do all the things. Okay, but within technical limitations. Technical limitations mean the memory size, the RAM size, the device size. These are the some technical limitations of your device. However, with the rapid rise in the use of smartphones these days, the word app is mostly used to refer the software that runs on mobile phones. All of you know this is the rapid use of the mobiles and smartphones nowadays. Will say in this lockdown time also you are just see the online class are running, so everyone needs the mobiles, smartphones, as well as any computer or anything by the help of which we can study. You can watch the videos, and you can read the PDF, etc. So this is the rise and rapid rise of the technical devices. So all the devices to accomplish the different types of the tasks needs the different types of the applications are known as the apps. As you know that the smartphones, tablets and other mobile devices are nothing but small computers. Here it is telling that these devices you are having in your hand, means smartphones and tablets and mobile devices, these are nothing else but small size of the computers you are having in your hand. So what is it is very small in size, that is having its that's why it is having some limitations, means the less memory in the comparison of the personal computers, having the less memory and the less works than a personal computer. So the different devices have different memories but less than PC. Therefore the apps are designed in different memory sizes. Why? Because the mobile phone having less memory, that's why the software, the application of that will be less memory size, means will occupy the less memory inside of the mobile, inside of the memory. For example, running on PC have another app, and running on mobile or some other devices have another apps for the same purpose. Just I told you the same thing. Suppose you want to use Campus Care and you want to use not, you are using Campus Care. So any one of you using on the laptop having another software of the Campus Care, having in the mobile is another app, but both are doing the same work. The facilities are a little bit less in the mobile, and the PC there are more facilities which are not done, which are not given in the mobile apps. So my dear, there are different types of the apps for the different sizes, for the different purpose, which can be run on the PC, having another app, having running on the smartphones and mobiles having another apps. Many of you know how to install the apps. You are going to the Play Store, searching the apps, after that you are installing it. Okay, so apps are designed to work here. Apps are designed to work with different OS. OS means operating system. Operating systems are the software which are controlling your devices. All the inputs, outputs, all the accessing, all the functions you are using are controlled by the operating system. For example, if you want to print anything, just you click on print. So what happens? It is going to the printer and it is printed on a it is printed on the paper. So dear students, these are the works of the operating system. Operating systems are controlling all the actions of the computers, of the apps and the devices. Okay. So an Android app is developed to work on phones and tablets which runs on Android OS. Okay. Android app, there is one application for the Android. If that application is not available in your mobile, so Android phones cannot run. Whereas iPhone apps can be used on iPhones which use iOS. So these are the operating systems used in the mobile which are having the applications, which are having the apps which are helping to run the operating system. Dear students, operating systems are the base of anything. In computer, if you are having no Windows, no Linux, no Xenix, no any operating system like DOS, etc., so your computer cannot run. If your computer cannot run, you cannot do anything. You are doing anything in the computer once your computer is booted, once computer is warm up and boot, and finally the start button is coming on your screen. After that only you are going to open from the desktop, you are opening MS Word, Excel or PowerPoint. So these functions are are done after the operating system. So the basic thing of the computer is OS. OS means operating system, and the hardware. If there is no hardware, so operating system is useless. If there is operating system but no hardware, so what happens? Operating system is not of any purpose. If you are having monitor, if you are having operating system but you are not having any device, any hardware, so that is also means both are the complement of each other. My dear students, you study well, you don't waste your time, just you share the times for every subjects, you give time, proper time to all the subjects to prepare your lessons for the coming exam, dear students. So take care. Thank you very much.